How do you qualify for a homestead exemption? Imagine saving money on your property taxes just because you call a house your main home. That's what a homestead exemption can do for you. But how do you actually qualify? Let's break it down. First, you need to own the property and live there most of the time. Usually, you must own the home as of January 1st of the tax year. It has to be your primary residence, not a rental or vacation home. So, if you live in the house year-round, you're on the right track. Next, many places have age or disability rules. If you are at least 65 years old, you might qualify. Some jurisdictions also give exemptions to homeowners who are totally and permanently disabled. To prove your age, you can show your birth certificate or driver's license. For disability, a letter from a doctor or government agency often works. Income limits are another factor. Some areas restrict eligibility based on how much money you earn. For example, if your combined income with your spouse is below a certain amount, you could qualify. This helps make sure the relief goes to those who need it most. You will need to fill out an application with your local property tax office. This is usually in the county where your home is located. The application asks for proof of ownership, residency, age, disability, and income. Make sure to gather documents like your driver's license, proof of income, or disability certification. The exemption generally applies to different types of homes. This includes single-family houses, condominiums, townhomes, manufactured homes, and sometimes cooperative housing units. The property must be your main residence, not a second home or investment property. Once approved, the exemption reduces your home's assessed value for tax purposes. For example, if your home's value is $100,000 and your exemption is $5,000, you only pay taxes on $95,000. The exact amount of exemption varies by location. Remember, you usually need to renew your application each year or follow specific local rules. If you qualify, you'll see a lower property tax bill, which can add up to significant savings over time. So, to qualify for a homestead exemption, you need to own and live in your home as your main residence, meet age or disability criteria if applicable, stay within income limits if set, and submit the right paperwork to your local tax office. This simple process can provide important tax relief and help you keep more of your money.